So the next thing we want to do now is for us to set the dimension of this page. Why do we want to set the dimension? Assuming I drew a line here, maybe a line of 10 feet, which is 3,000 millimeter, enter. So this is the line. You can escape, press the escape button. Assuming this is 3,000 millimeter, I will have to zoom it out and dimension it. I have dimensioned it, but I'm not seeing what the dimension value of it. It should show here, but I'm not seeing it. So that is the reason why we have to set the dimension for us to be able to view whatever we dimensioned. So how do we set this dimension? So after we might have finished setting the dimension, it will automatically reflect on this. So go to this tab, the dimension tab, click on dimension tab, come down to dimension style, click on dimension style, click on modify. Good. A dialog will showing different tabs that you have to set. Just few settings on these tabs. So you see the line tab, the symbol and arrows tab, the text tab, the repeat tab, the primary. These are the 5 tabs we are setting here. The alternate unit tab and the tolerances tab, you are not setting them. So click on the line tab, baseline spacing, impute it as 200. Come to the extend beyond dimension line, set it as 200. When you're done, offset from origin, set it as 200. Check this box, click the box, fixed length extension line, for you to put the extent of the extended dimension line. Impute 300 here. You are done setting the line. Click the symbol and arrow tab. Remember, once you are done setting these parameters, don't click OK yet until you might have finished setting all these 5 tabs, the line, symbols, text, fit, primary unit tab. Then after that you click OK. So symbol and arrow tab. So let us go to the arrowhead. The first arrowhead, you can leave it as closed field, or you can use architecture tick, whatever is your choice. So once you select the first arrowhead, automatically the second arrowhead will have to reflect what you selected at the initial. So the leader, you can also use architecture tick. So arrow size, set it as 160. So these are the only thing you are setting on this dialog. Click on text style. Remember, we want to set the properties of the text, dimension text. So click on the text tab here. So once you click on this text tab, the text style, you see the small dialog box where you can create or modify your text style. So click on it. So any font you want, you can actually select them here. It will be reflecting here. So any of the fonts you want. So let's go with Arial. Good. So set the height of the text. use 180 or 200, any of your choice can still serve. 180, apply and close. Good. So go to the fit. Okay, before then we are done setting the text style. Good. The text height has reflected here, so come to the text alignment and select aligned with dimensioned line. So we are done setting this. So click on the fit tab. Here we have to set the fit option. If there isn't enough room to place both text and arrows inside the extension line, the first thing you want to move outside the extension line is what? Both text and arrow. Also select this one, over dimension line with layer, as a text placement. You are done setting this. Then go to primary unit, select the precision as whole number 0. So the precision should be 0. So these are all that you are required to set here. You are done setting the dimension properties. So you can now click OK. So here, alternate units and tolerance, you are not setting anything here. Yeah. So click OK. Good. Then click on set current and close. Good. You see, it has reflected the actual value of the dimension line, because we have successfully set up the dimension properties. So we are having this. So assuming I drew another line, I want to know the distance, and easily know the distance. So this page is now fit to be used in whatever drawing you want to draw in it. So remember, we have gotten to the 3 parts of the drawing. The drawing introductions that we are required to learn. So we have seen how the interface look like, setting of drawing page or interface, the interface page setting. Now stay tuned as we will learn the drawing tools, the modifying tools, learning of the command tools, learning of the interface tabs properly, and the ribbons. So please stay tuned as we will be releasing some of these videos with time. Hit on your subscribe button and always like our videos. It is very, very important. So stay tuned as we are going to release the following videos as soon as possible. Thank you.